Down the rabbit hole we go, folks. Today we're looking at SUNO. It is an artificial intelligence platform all about creating music using prompts. Let's dive into the rabbit hole and see how far we go today. So here is SUNO. With SUNO, you have to buy some credits when you get an account. And with those credits, you get to use prompts to create all these amazing music and songs creations. It's just basically a digital composition platform. Let's have a quick listen to one of these. This is the first one. Now they're using a prompt called French House Hip Hop, like that. What's this one? Let's move on to the next one. This is Feeling of Love. Let's click it. It's new art, electro, indie rock.
We met on the moon.
On the right hand side of SUNO,
You were dancing in the dark,
all the lyrics.
feeling confused. Didn't know if it was right.
So that's SUNO.
You
Let's
texted
go and make
me.
our own. Let's pause that. Let's see if we can create our own composition, our digital composition, using our own creativity. So here we go. On the left hand side, you'll see Home, Create, Library, Explore, Search. So I'm going to click Create. And now using your own lyrics. So let's type in some lyrics, or we can get SUNO to create lyrics. Let's say Happy Tuesday, because today's Tuesday. Let's write the lyrics with SUNO. So SUNO is going to use its own artificial intelligence. Happy Tuesday, and write the lyrics using their AI model. All right, so on the left-hand side, you see SUNO has created a bunch of lyrics for a song called Great Day. They've even given it some sections. There's a chorus, there's a verse. What's this? Category 5 Hurricane 2008. Oh, I don't think I want to go down that road. Let's look at this one. Happy Tuesday, it's a great day, it's a great way. I like that. Let's go and accept this option. It's going to put all over here. How many verses it's got? It's got 2 verses. It's got quite a lot actually. So I'm just going to go and remove all of this excess, which we don't really need. So the lyrics are Happy Tuesday, it's a great day, in a great way. Yeah, it's a great day, and it's payday. As I drive away through the lazy hay, it's a great day, and it's payday. Tuesday's a payday? Every day's a payday. What style of music do we want? We want this to be, let's say, pop, disco. Now I've learned using SUNO not to use too many different styles of genres with your prompts. So try to keep it not necessarily minimal, but try to keep it to a feel, maybe at most 4. So let's go pop disco, that's 2. We're gonna add funky bass line. There we go. There's our prompt to see what we get. No persona, put into my workspace, and let's click create. Now SUNO will generate 2 versions of your prompt. It'll be slightly different, but very similar. And it takes roughly 10 to 15 seconds to create 2 amazing digital compositions. So here's the first one. This is Happy Tuesday, great day, under the pop disco funky bassline prompt. Let's click it and see what we've got.
Happy Tuesday, it's a great day, in a great way. And it's a great day, and it's payday. As I drive away through the lazy hay, it's a great day.
All right, off the bat, it's quite amazing how it's got the disco vibe and a very boppy, poppy feel, but using the funky bass line as well. That's version 1. Let's hear what version 2 is. This is amazing. Did you notice the filtering on the voice? There was filtering on the voice from the outset.
Away through the lazy hay, it's a great day, and it's payday. It's a great day.
Okay, that's pretty awesome, right? You've got to admit, it's just made up a song out of a couple of prompts. I wonder if we can change to a female voice using a couple of prompts. Female vocal. Let's try that. Let's see if that works. So it's the same song, same lyrics. Just see if we can change it or adapt it to female singing it. Let's see. Hit create. Now we've got a male vocal in the beginning. We're trying to get a female vocal out of the third version, I think it is. All right, so it's processed the first version. And every time you create a song in SUNO, your credits over here, it uses 10 credits per song. But if you go and extend it, and I'll show you extending in the next video, if you go and extend your song, it'll only do 5 credits, I do believe. Version 3 of our funky pop disco Happy Tuesday song. Now remembering, we converted it to a female vocal.
Happy Tuesday.
That is amazing. SUNO has seen the prompt of female vocal and changed it.
It's a great day in a great way. It's a great day, and it's payday as I drive away through the lazy hay. It's a great day.
I'm mind blown right now. This is pretty phenomenal. It's an artificial intelligence platform that creates music to your preference. So it can create your vibe basically, artificially. Let's have a listen to what version 2 is.
Happy Tuesday, it's a great day in a great way. It's a great day, and it's payday as I drive away through the lazy hay. It's a great day.
Oh my God, that is phenomenal. That is mind blowing, unbelievable. That's SUNO, an artificial intelligence platform to create digital music. You can create music for your own YouTube channels, for your own Spotify channel. You can create music for your own musicals, but that's pretty good. There's also other features on here, which we'll look at our next video for SUNO. But thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video as we go down the rabbit hole.